How to create gallery.
Step 1. Open the School Excel app. Enter your username. Enter password. Click on Login button. Step 2. Once logged in, click on My Gallery option. Click on Create Gallery option. Click on Class, choose class. Click on Section, choose section. Select one or more students. Click on Upload Photo/Video option. Select Photo and Upload. You can upload multiple photos also. Give description, it is optional. Click on Upload button. Step 3. To check uploaded photos in Student Gallery, log out from this admin account. Log into student account by giving username and password. After logged in, click on My Gallery option. There you can find all the uploaded photos. Click on Download button to download the photo. Step 3. Log out from student account. Log into admin account by giving username and password. Once logged in, click on My Gallery option. In that, click on My Gallery. Select class. Select section. Select one or more students. Click Filter button. You can find all of your uploading here. Click on Edit option to edit photo. To delete photo, click on Delete button. This will also delete same photo in student account also. To check this, log out from this admin account. Log into student account by giving username and password. Once logged in, click on My Gallery option. Check if photo deleted or not.
Thank you.